Hey, welcome to Lesson 11, the enrichment page. So this is from the lesson that we did last week where we talked about, let's see if I can do this, greater than, less than, and equal to. So remember when we had that shark and we spoke about how the shark wants to eat the bigger number, the greater number. So what's happening here is this is our extension page. So you will be able to do this. This is not that hard, but I do want to show you what to do. So the first thing they want us to do is they want us to use the numbers on this number line. So I can use numbers from 40 to 53. So I'm not going to worry about other numbers. They've given us one example here. They gave us 41 and 40. So they just chose at random 41 and 40, but it has to fit this symbol in the center. So the symbol in the center, which I'm currently highlighting with my circle, is the greater than symbol. So I needed to put the number that was greater on this side and the number that was less than on this side. And I could not do the same number two times. So what about this one? So if I wanted to do this one, I need to make equals true. So let's say I just choose 46 from the number line, and in order to make that true, I need to choose another 46. Now this one is the less than symbol. So that means I need to have this shark eat the bigger number. And this right here where I'm highlighting has to be the bigger number. So let's choose a bigger number from the number line. And now I can choose any number less than that one to fit. Let's do 47. So what you are to do is you're to go through all the rest of these and make this symbol in the center correct. So you have to figure out how to use the numbers in order to make the symbol correct. Now this one is a little different. In this one, they've given you the numbers. It's your job to write the symbol. So this is similar to the first thing we did last week. So let's look at 98 and 65. Which one is greater? You are correct, it's 98. So that means that I need to have the shark eat the bigger number, just like that. Now let's look at 46 and 46. Are either of them bigger or smaller, or no? They're equal to. So then I take my equal to sign and I put that in the center. And now let's do this last one. Which one is bigger, 15 or 16? So you may, like if you're like, oh my goodness, I'm not quite sure, you can certainly count. Or remember that long number line that you made and you put inside your math journal? This might be a good time. Actually, I have mine right here. This might be a good time to use this guy. So here, let me show him. There he is. Remember that guy? You can use that one. You can also use a 120 number chart to help you. Parents, if you're finding that the kids are not able to get the answer correct the first time, it is absolutely acceptable to use the number line or to practice on the 120 chart. We'd rather have the right answer than to remember the wrong one. So we know from our practice that 16 is greater than. So that means that I need to have my shark eat the greater number, which is 16. Okay, well, you just complete and go through this. Play that silly game with that racing. I hope you enjoyed it. I should tell you that Mrs. Smith was not very good at the bonus round, so I'm going to have to go practice that right now. All right, talk to you soon.